Hello friends, if someone gives you free storage space to store your files and folders, then will you reject it? Yes, free storage space given by Google. Google Drive. Google Drive is a free storage space given by Google for you. Only one condition, if you have Gmail account. So how to access this storage we will see immediately. For this you need to go on Google Chrome and write Google Drive. It will show you results. To open Google Drive, you can click on first immediate result, then click here, go to Drive. This is one of the way to go or to access your Google Drive, or you can simply go to your URL bar and type drive google.com. It will also open your Google Drive. Another way is through Google Apps. Here you will have noticed 9 dots. You can click on those dots. Those are nothing but various Google apps, and click on Drive. This will also open up your Google Drive account. So we will create now new folder. Click right button of mouse, new folder, give your title. For example, I will give new folder and create. It's working. So see, new folder has been created. Who is the owner of new folder? I am the owner of new folder, and when this folder modified last time at 5 p.m. Okay, so likewise you can create as many folders you want, but keep in mind you have given only 15 GB of storage for storing your data free of cost. Otherwise you need to buy storage. So like any other folder, you can double click and open new folder. So what is your path? On my drive you are in new folder. In this new folder, again on right click you can create another new folder. You can upload files or upload folders, or you can create new Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and many more Google products. Okay, so I just want to save my data, whatever my data, to Google Drive. So how can I save? For example, I want to save some photographs or image to Google Drive. So I will click upload files, and suppose I will make it large icons. Suppose I want to save this image, so select this image and click on open. So you will have a message uploading one item and uploading done. So here is your uploaded image. Again, all details are there. Your name of image, who is the owner of image, and what is the last modified time, what is the size of this file. You can also drag and drop files to Google Drive. Let us see how we can drag. So I will minimize this windows for dragging option, and again now I will drag this file to my drive. Okay, so see, uploading one item and uploading has been completed. So I have uploaded 2 files here, both are image files. You can upload any Word file, any PDF file, or any PPT. Whatever files you want to upload, those files can be uploaded on Google Drive. Or I have not shown here, you can upload also video files. Now uploading has been done. So let us see some features. Here, view details. You can view details of any files or folder. Then here is an option to change list view. So I have those 4 files uploaded on my drive. I can change view of my files, list or grid view. So I will organize a list view so that I can view those files in large icons. Now I will select a file to make some operations. By selecting file, single left mouse click, your file will be selected. See, title is colored in blue. So you will have options enabled. Here 3 dots will give you more options. So if you want to open this, you can open with Google Docs, other PDF options, connect to more apps, or whatever different apps which are installed on your computer. As well as you can add shortcut to drive, you can move to other folder, you can make it start, or you can rename this file. Then you can for viewing details, what are details about file, then to copy, or if you want to download to your PC or system, you can download from here. Next option is the delete option. If you want to delete this file, you can delete. I will go select this file, but I want to delete, so this file will be deleted. Okay, so all other options we will see. So this option is the preview, we can preview file. Then this option is the sharing option. Both options are comparatively same, so we will look one by one. So whenever you click on this, it will enable the sharing. Share with people and group. You need to add peoples to which you want to share. So who you are going to add? You need to add their Google IDs. Okay, then done. You can change settings from here. So who can edit, who can change. Next option is generate shareable link. This is link of my file, but it is restricted. Only people added can open this link. Okay, but you can change this restricted to anyone with a link. So if you share this link with your friends, with your office, then those who having this link can open this file. We can assign permissions or assign tasks to viewer. So what they can do with this file? They can view, they can comment, or they can edit. So whatever permissions you want to assign, you can assign from here. I just want others can only view this file, so I will left as it is. Can you copy your link here and done. Okay, so right now you have link of your assignment day 4 file, and you can share this link to others. Now you have understand how to upload files on Google Drive, how to process them. Okay, so here are various options. Right now we are in My Drive. You are sharing your files or folders with others. Likewise, others can also share their files with you. So all those shared files will be shown in shared with me. If you enjoyed my video, then please like my video, comment it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. Thank you.